Okay guys, it's a couple days after Dorian, finally got power back. Time to show you the damage. Not much, nothing at all really. My tent shed thing destroyed, it's all warped and yeah, all this bent up. Nothing that can't be fixed or jerry-rigged up to where it'll work okay. Still got the tarps on the other side, so yeah, at least I didn't lose that. But that's really the only thing. I mean, everything else is just so yeah, let's get into the video.
Into the infinite. I'm alive and you're my vice. I surrender, you entice till we can't resist the tide. We'll keep falling into time, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the I'm alive and you're my vice. I surrender, you entice till we can't resist the tide. We'll keep falling into time, into the infinite. Watch the sand fall in line. We're out of time, into the infinite. And you're my vice to our favorite paradise. Take my hand, don't twice till we can't run out of time. Into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite, into the infinite. Thoughts and every price, tie a noose around my eyes. Fake your plan and roll the dice as you make your sacrifice. I'm your muse and you're my rise to our favorite paradise.
Only one of the only EG coupes that are also daily driven ITBs, well, high compression LSV tech with AC.
Take my hand, hold twice till we can't run out of time. Into the infinite. And you're my vice, I'm your favorite paradise. We conquer the divide, never out of time. Your thoughts and every price, tie a noose around.
He went into Home Depot, walking to the back. I'm about to blow this motherfucker up. And a customer heard him and called the cops. So SWAT busted in on him as he was taking a shit.
As he's looking at his phone or something, it's like, oh shit.
Sir, we need you to come out with your hands up. I can't. I'm taking
Did you say my pants up or my hands up? 'Cause I'm game for either one. Somebody's gonna get the pink Tetris from this thing.
Pink
There's probably just a brown Tetris. That was it. When we were at Chris's house, and he had that pink machete, and he hit me in the leg, and said, "Now we're." He's like, "Now I'll give you pink Tetris instead of Tetris."
I always say Tetris. He got that shit for me.
Hit me in the finger.
When I was building this tent, Amber tried to kill me with some scissors. She put scissors, like some really old rusted scissors, put them on top of the ladder. I didn't know she did. And I went to move the ladder, and the scissors fell and stabbed me in the shin and stuck into my leg.
The only time I ever had a Tetris shot was that time I stepped on there to my own house. That's the only time in my life I've ever
Hey,
had.
but after that, I was able to pack a trunk like nobody's business.
Oh, scratch Amber's wood.
You didn't hurt wheels no more.
Tell her that.
I told her that. The other day, man.
Look right in the camera and tell her that.
These ain't your wheels no more. These is mine.
Tomorrow on the first 48, Tony Hughes was a good man.
He was good.
If you have any information on his whereabouts, please call Crime Stoppers today.
into the infinite.
I bought corn.
Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Cross and every price. Tired news around my eyes. Fake your blend and roll the dice as you make your sacrifice. I'll be your muse and you're my vice. To our favorite paradise. Take my hand, hold it twice. We can't run out of time. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the I'm alive and you're my vice. I surrender you entice till we can't resist the tide. We'll keep falling into time. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the infinite. Into the alive and you're my vice. I surrender you entice till we can't resist the tide. We'll keep falling into time. Into the infinite. Watch the sand fall in line. We're out of time. Into the
Oh, you're right. Oh, you're right. Flip over.
You know, again, we're going back to the logic of why didn't we didn't put a handle on the.
Oh, there should have been a handle on that thing.
Alright, so right here.
Well out the well, we're gonna put one on it.
Well, yeah, just get an all thread.
And then when
We'll
that
do
thing
it.
goes to yank, it snatches all your fucking hands
Yeah,
off.
I wouldn't do that.
Put some
We'll-
flexi on
We'll
it.
get some. We'll get like a 4-wheeler handlebars, and we'll put it on there like. You ain't have to switch on it.
We'll swing it, you're gonna love it.
Alright, is that how we're gonna do this?
Oh, this is
oh,
gonna
you
go
done hit the
bad.
machine now.
This don't look good.
Oh god, you ready? Here we go.
Oh, this is gonna go bad. Like I said, this is gonna go bad. I almost
your
lost the
foot.
foot. I almost lost the whole foot. The whole foot was gonna be gone.
I hope the camera caught that.
He said, oh!
I gotta make sure my dog don't come in here.
Yeah, he. Look what you did to my lip. You got a big old scratch on it.
Oh, gee, now Tony's really gonna have to paint it. We were
I gotta
just talking
paint it
about
now. I
this
gotta paint the
today.
whole list.
See, there's rust and stuff on it, so you're gonna end up having to paint the whole thing.